gallons per month pays a monthly combined water and sewer bill $74.94. Under the tariff proposed by the company in its initial application, this household would see a total monthly combined increase of $34.68, making the total bill $109.62 per month. The full evidentiary hearing in this docket was held on September 7th and 8th. Additionally, the Commission held 3 public hearings at which it heard from members of the public, one in the Oak Grove community in Lexington County, another in the Lake Wiley community in York County, and in the Commission's hearing room here in Columbia. At these hearings, a total of 55 public witnesses testified in opposition to the proposed rate increase. Customer testimony in this case was particularly compelling. We heard from witnesses who reported a myriad of customer service problems, including irregular and inaccurate billing, unwarranted disconnection of service, sewer system overflows, water service disruption, and frequent boil water advisories, and poor water quality. In some neighborhoods, particularly 40 Love Point in Chapin and Oak Grove in Lexington County, we heard testimony that the water provided by the applicant was discolored, smell bad, taste bad, and damaged clothes, fixtures, and appliances. Some of these customers reported that they had incurred significant additional household expenses for water filtration systems and/or bottled drinking water as a direct result of the poor water quality in their homes. We are absolutely convinced from the testimony we received that the customer service problems presented by the applicant are so pervasive and severe that the most just result in this case would be a general denial of the requested increase in its entirety. I move that we therefore deny the applicant's request for rate relief. Mr. Chairman, that is my motion.
You've heard Commissioner Whitfield's motion. Are there any questions?
Mr. Chairman.
Commissioner Fleming.
While I have great respect for my colleagues and certainly understand their frustration with this company, I will have to not support the motion because we did in fact do that same thing with a utility company just like this one with similar problems. And the Supreme Court issued a decision just this year in March of 2011 saying that setting out a roadmap actually for dealing with water and sewer. I believe what ORS proposed followed the Supreme Court order, and that if I had had my choice, that's the motion I would have supported. Because of and my concern is for the customer, because this will probably be appealed. The rates that were originally requested by state law can go into effect until that appeal is settled. And with what ORS set out, it would mean an increase of $5.01 to the water and sewer customer on an average bill of 7,000 gallons. And that would be, but I certainly, as I said, I have great regard for my colleagues and understand their frustration with the company.
Ready to vote?
Mr. Chairman, I would just
Hall.
like to say, I would just like to echo Commissioner Fleming's feelings. My frustration is with the statute. I believe it's section 58.5.240 Part D that allows the company to get the increase under bond. And my concern is that this is a temporary relief for the customer, that now they'll get zero, but when the company files for appeal, they'll get the full increase of $34 or whatever it is. So this is my first very controversial vote, Mr. Chairman, and I have tremendous respect for my colleagues as well, but my concern is for the customer, and I don't think that a general denial is the best thing for the customer.
All commission in favor of the motion, say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, no.
No.
Motion carries.
Mr. Chairman of the Commissioners, this completes the utility agenda. Turning to the motor fury agenda, I'd like to take items 1 through 3 together. These are applications for Class C certificates.
Mr. Chairman,
Commissioner Mitchell.
Mr. Chairman, I move that we approve the application for